How to create and add a favicon to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first, I just suggest that you go to any free platform like Canva to create your favicon first. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to click on custom size, and we basically just want to make sure that it is a square. So 48 by 48 pixels is great for this aspect. We can just click on create new design, and we can just feel free to upload our logo in here. Once that's done, you simply just want to click on share from the top right corner and download. Now what you can also do instead, if you want, you can just go to favicon generator, which is this one right here, and if you click on this, you can feel free to upload your image in here, and it's just going to turn it into a favicon, meaning it's just going to compress it down to the size, the appropriate size for a favicon. And then you simply just want to download that, and we're just going to basically use that instead. Next up, you simply just want to go back to your Shopify store and go to your theme, click on edit theme, and we are just going to go to the theme settings from the top here, and we're just going to be able to find the branding options, logo and favicon. Now from here, you're just going to be able to find the favicon option, click on select, and obviously upload the one that we have just created from Canva or favicon generator. So in my case, I'm just going to use this one. This is exactly the one that we downloaded from Canva. I did not use the favicon generator to do anything with it, so I'm just going to use this and select it and click on done. Once you're happy with it, make sure you click on save from the top right corner, and we're pretty much good to go. So as you can see here on the top, we can see that the image that we just used is the new favicon. Now here's the thing. With favicons, the less you add to it, the better, because it's just going to be low quality anyway. So you can just make it a letter instead as your signature instead of the entire logo image. With that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.